Dear students, I am Pratik Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you about the cube roots. The cube root of a number, suppose a number is a, is that number which when multiplied by itself gives 3 times a. As you can see, if a into a equals to a cube, then when we will find out the cube root of a cube, that will be equals to a. Cube root of a cube will be equals to a. The cube root is denoted by the symbol like this. You can see there is a root symbol and inside root there is a small 3. This means cube root. Cube root of a negative number is always negative. Suppose cube root of minus a ka cube equals to minus a. Suppose cube root of minus 8 will be equals to minus 2. Cube root of minus 27 will be equals to minus 3 and so on. Method of finding the cube root of any number. If a number is a perfect cube, then how we are going to find out its cube root? Let us see the steps. Resolve the given numbers into prime factors first of all. Form groups of threes of like factors. Take out one factor from each group and we will multiply together. See an example. Suppose cube root of 64. We will find out the prime factorization of 64. 2 से 32 times 64, 2 से 16 times 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. These are the factors of 64. Now 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. 6 times 2. 3 times 2 we will write one time. In finding out the cube root, the same digit, the same value which repeats 3 times is written just once to find out the cube roots. So 3 times multiplication of 2 will be written just one time. Again 3 times multiplication of 2 will be written single time, one time only. So 2 2s are 4. It means cube root of 64 is 4. If we do the reverse of 4, it means if we do the cube of 4, we will get 64. And cube root of 64 equals to 4. See one more example. Cube root of 512 by 125. See the prime factorization of 512. 2 से 256 times, 2 से 128 times 256, 2 से 64 times 128, 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 125, 5 से 25 times 125, 5 से 5 times 25 and 5 1s are 5. In front of 512, as this is a numerator, in the numerator we will write all the factors of 512. 2 9 times, 2 multiplication 9 times. 125, 5 3 times, product of 5 3 times. Here you can see repetition of 2 3 times, one time. Again repetition of 2 3 times, one time. Again product of 3 3 times, we will write one time. So triplet of the same number which is in the product form is written once to find out the cube root. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It means 512 is the cube root of 8 and 125 is the cube root of 5. So overall the cube root of 512 by 125 equals to 8 by 5. Thank you.